where should we start? At the group number 1? Because right now I saw that the members of the group number 1 it's already arrived. Also group number 2, group number 3, and Bhutan 1. We still waiting for
I'm sorry.
Bhutan 2. Yes.
I'm sorry, Professor, for asking. In Fiji, that's that's group number. Is it group number 5?
Yeah,
Really, from
6.
Fiji.
6. Number 6, Fiji.
6. Okay. Really, okay. Wait.
Yeah. Okay. So and Fiji is only one member in your group, huh? So where should we start? Which group number? We random or we just pick up someone is ready? Which group is ready for presenting the assignment of the SWOT analysis that we gave you on yesterday? So just showing the
Okay. The first I want to you talk about the name of the groups. Okay. From the group number 1 to the number 6. Okay. And list of the members. List of your member in your groups. Okay. And the next, I want you to explain the topic you want to do in the SWOT analysis. Okay.
because we're gonna start with the topic, and then after that we're gonna go deep in the deep detail of the SWOT analysis. So which group is ready?
Hello, Professor.
Yes.
Prof, we thought that you said 2 days. Now we're supposed to present from tomorrow. We thought it's from tomorrow. Because this is the second day
that's why,
today.
start the topic first. And
Oh.
then we're not like asking you to finish your work, because we promised that the finished work will be on tomorrow. But I think that now on, I think that right now you should have the topic, and then we're gonna discuss in case if you clear or not. Okay.
All right. No, it's okay. The topics that we are having, but the full presentation will be done tomorrow by group 1.
Yeah, by the group 1. So if you want, you can share the screen if you have something.
Yeah, let my chief share, Miss Amia, our group leader.
Good afternoon, Prof.
Good afternoon, Amia.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi.
Yesterday, we came up with a group name,
and
we said our group name is Nambu Biomeds.
How to spell it? How to spell it?
N-A
B-U.
Yes, actually for Namibia, Burundi, Biomeds.
Okay.
Yes, unfortunately, only late in the afternoon.
Okay.
One of our team, one of the members joined. So we apologize for that.
Oh, it's okay, because we totally understand. And you and all members cannot join in the same time because of the duties, your responsibilities of the work, and also the different time zone. But at least in the group must be at least one the presenter that discuss with us, and after that you're gonna circulate the message to your friends in the group. That's
Okay, yeah.
we're looking for.
The
Yes.
name is actually on the chat.
Yes.
It's Namburu Biomeds.
Biomeds. Okay, very nice name. What is the meaning of the Namburu? Namburu is from the Namibia, right?
Namibia, Burundi.
Burundi. Oh, nice. Namburu.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So we can easily remember that. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So what is the topic that you interested to go on the SWOT analysis? Did you talk with your friend?
Yes, we had a discussion, but let me say medical equipment management.
Medical management, yes. Okay.
Yeah, that includes the acquisition phase from until until the machine is until maintenance. So we are doing administration and and
Procurement.
technical together.
Okay.
So
So
the
first,
administration is going to look at the planning phase where where it's looking at the needs from the hospitals to procurement, to supply, delivery, installation, and then we are going to also tackle maintenance of medical
okay.
equipment. Yes.
Just take the responsibilities of the BME when you're working on the hospital, right? Start from the procurement until the maintenance.
Yes.
Go to the disposal process because of the life cycle must be finished at the disposal. How
We
about
sort of
the-
not
Okay, and maybe next time you can have lecture in the computer minute.
จันทราตรีใช่ไหมฮะใช่ครับ
Computer
อาจารย์นัทพงศ์รังสีเทคนิคนะครับ
sorry.
Sorry
Okay,
for-
I need
Sorry,
to
Lars.
turn off the microphone because sorry.
Okay. The next time is you can see in the medical device life circle. Okay, in the standard, and you can find in the medical
way.
device.
Management.
Yeah,
on the
for
next
the
Yes.
development.
However,
Okay.
we start right now, we are talking about the SWOT analysis. So I think that the most important one that you set up a topic, and
Yeah.
then it's very clear that you need to scope the topic, not too big, not too small, because if your scope is too big, it's gonna be more difficult for the SWOT analysis, right?
Yeah.
So
and
you need to
if it-
focus on, I think I recommend that just only scope in one point, maybe, and then you can, classify the problem, the strength, the threats, or whatever. So make the scope not too big, okay? So because we talk about the medical equipment management, so it will be start from the process of procurement until the maintenance. This is the topic that you want to do the SWOT analysis. So it will be only in the Namibia or together with the Namibia, Burundi, and Tanzania together.
We'll do it as a combination.
A combination. Okay, after you
Yes, a
discuss with friend, I would love to know that do you have the common problem or common strength among Namibia, Burundi, and Tanzania?
I believe we
Okay.
are going to have common
Okay.
strength,
Okay, so
weakness, yes.
this
But what
year.
we first have to do, we are going to first analyze. We come up with like 10 to 10 strengths, and then from there we are going to see the key strengths that we have in common.
Okay. So it will be easier if you have something in common, right?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, okay, hold on, because of the screen right now, because it's that some of the people hacking on the screen. Okay, we're gonna return back. Okay, because it's the Apple TV, so that's why someone use the AirPay and hacking on the screen, and the screen disappear. Okay, we are back. Okay, so this is a scope. Then, okay, you can go to discuss with your friend and then working on it. Okay, so I think that this scope is okay, not too big, not too small. So you can find out what is the problem and what is your strength among your hospital, among your healthcare service in the same area. I believe that Namibia, Burundi, and Tanzania are in Africa, and you should have the same common. Okay, thank you, Amir.
Thank you, Prof.
Okay, thank you very much. So the next group. The next group. Which one want to be the next? Okay, the group number 2. From Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Pakistan, Moldova, Azerbaijan. Right now, do you have the name of your group?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
It's Deepika from
Yeah,
Mauritius.
Deepika from Sri Lanka, right?
Yeah, we have the participants from Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Pakistan, Moldova, and Azerbaijan in our group.
Yeah. Yes, I
So,
can share on the screen,
our
right?
group,
Yeah.
yeah, our group name is Biomedical Brilliance.
Uh-huh.
And the topic that we have chosen is repair and maintenance of biomedical equipment.
Okay, repair and maintenance in medical equipment. Okay, the scope is okay, not too big, not too small. So after you discuss with your friend in Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Pakistan, Moldova, and also Azerbaijan, okay, you are a little bit different. So do you
Yeah.
find anything in common in repair and maintenance of medical device, or totally
Actually,
different?
we thought to analyze, and there are some. Actually, can I share the
Yeah,
template?
please. Yeah, you can share. You can share the screen right now. We allow you to share.
Okay.
You can share the screen. Can you share it or?
I cannot find it. Can I send it by
Okay,
mail and
let us
you can,
figure out. Let us figure
yeah.
out how to share. Yes.
Can
Okay,
I
please
share
share
it
it
on the
again
WhatsApp group?
in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna transfer from WhatsApp to here. We use the all varieties platform for our training today. Okay.
Yeah, I have sent it.
Okay, we got it. So we're gonna share it on the screen. Hold on.
So this is like the first draft that we have
Yeah, it's okay.
jotted down. Yeah.
You're not completed, but okay, you just like give an idea and you can add it more on tomorrow to finalized. Okay, here is the work. Okay, this is the group of
Yeah.
the group name is there. And then, okay, you're gonna talk about the repair maintenance of medical equipment. Okay. So right now, you enlarge it because it's too small. Okay. So everyone, I think that you can see it clear. The strength, the inventory of equipment. I think that you can explain that. And in the more detail,
Yeah.
what is
The first point,
inventory-
the first two
inventory?
points is
Yes. Mm-hmm.
from my side. The
Mm-hmm.
inventory of equipment, it means that I make sure that whenever we receive an equipment, I have to input it in a database. Like I have an Excel sheet which I maintain with all the information. So that is useful when we have to track equipment, the location, like every detail, the cost, everything is mentioned in the inventory.
Yeah.
And then the second point, feedback from clinicians. I think that as engineers, we have to be in constant contact with the user department. They provide us with useful feedback and information, which we use to repair and maintain equipment. And then we have different points which have been given by my colleagues from Pakistan and Sri Lanka, the rest of them. We have not really discussed yet because this is the first draft. So we may be ready by tomorrow with the final one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in my opinion, it must be better in the case if you just like when you sharing this slide together with your friends or with us,
Yes.
so you can add more description. For example, like inventory equipment, you can expand the table and you can just like put more description about the
Okay.
topic of that. I think that it will be useful because some of your friends are just like not online at in the same time. So this document
Yeah.
will be circulated to another friend, and then they can follow what are you talking
Okay.
about. Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sure.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
okay, thank you very much, Deepika. Group number 2. And then group number 3. Group number 3.
Hello.
Hello.
So,
Abudi.
yes, my name is Ibrahim Awal
Mhm.
Audi,
Yes,
from Ghana.
from Ghana.
Yes,
So
please.
can I ask something? When you
Yes, please.
call your name in Ghana, so what is your name and what is your family name? So what is the best way that we can call you in the short name?
Okay,
Abudi
Awal is
or Ibrahim?
Awal. Awal is fine.
Awa. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Okay. So
Thank
I
you.
am here on behalf of
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
and
So,
we want
mm-hmm.
is about to say something.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what is your group name? Did you decide that?
Yes,
What is
we are
yeah.
GMMR.
DMMR?
GMMR. As
Okay.
in Ghana.
Okay. 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 Ghana, Malawi, Morocco, and Rwanda.
Yes, please.
Okay, we got
Yes,
it.
please.
Okay,
Okay.
GMMR. Okay,
Yes,
this
please.
is a group name. So what is your topic that you want to do the SWOT analysis?
We want to present on biomedical engineering in Africa.
Okay, biomedical engineering situation in Africa, right?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
very interesting. So, okay,
Yeah.
you're gonna show us the strength of biomedical engineering in
Yes.
Africa and what is the weakness, blah, blah, blah. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Okay,
So
so right now I think that you're gonna work hard on it, but I think that
yes.
you already have the information on your
Yes,
hands.
we have the we have the information. So we just put it
So,
together
yes.
in a nice
Yes.
presentation and
Yeah.
Mm.
So as same as the previous group. So you have like the table and maybe you add more description. So it will
yes.
be valuable for us.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, for the group number 1, number 2, number 3, can we check again how many of the members in your group? How many of the member in the group number 1, please? We need to check the numbers.
We are 6 in group
6.
number 1.
Okay, the 6 in group number 1 in number. And how about group number 2? How many of the members? Deepika, are you there? So you sent out only 4, but I believe that more than that. There are more than 4. Only
For
4?
group two, we also have Sanda.
Mm-hmm. Sanda. Okay.
Yeah.
So in
And
total, 5?
there is Leila, but she's not active. So I don't know. She's added in our WhatsApp group, but she did not reply.
I think that right now, okay, about 6 people in your group,
Yes.
right? Okay, but you can correct
Yes.
me later. Yes.
Okay.
And Awa, how many of the members in your group? Mr. Awa.
Can you hear me?
4? How many? How many of the
We are
members?
12. We are 12 currently.
Okay,
12.
4. Okay.
12.
Okay.
12. 12, not 4.
2.
1.
12. 12.
Yes.
12. Because they have the many from Ghana, many from Rwanda, and 2 at least from Morocco, I remember. Sorry that I cannot remember you all because, it's kind of difficult for me to recognize your name, but okay, give me some time. I gonna remember little by little. And you are from different countries, so I need my brain working out to remember all of you. Sorry for that. Okay, thank you that chatting to us. So we confirm that in the group number 3, they have 12. Okay, so you're gonna get a lot of information because it's around Africa. So we thank you for that, Alpha. And for the group number 4, this is the Bhutan one, who is a representative of the Bhutan one. Uh,
Okay, hello,
Bhutan.
John.
Hello, Sonam. Nice to see you again.
Yes, John, same here.
Okay.
Bhutan one is from the department side. So
Uh-huh.
we are grouped. So we have grouped as a department. So the topic that we decided to do is telemedicine services for the remote areas in Bhutan. So if we start doing the telemedicine, we want to find our strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. However, we just decided the topic right now. So we will work on the
Okay.
strengths, weaknesses, everything, and submit to you. by today.
Okay. Okay, because you still have like 24 hours until
Yes,
tomorrow to work on it.
yes,
So take your time then,
Hello.
Sonam.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sonam.
Thank you.
Okay, Sonam is our graduate from Rapsid University. That's why she I know her. I know her her well, not a bit. Okay, thank you for joining us. And the group number 5, right? Bhutan 2. Bhutan 2. We will have the representative here. The Bhutan 2. Mamta.
Entah sendiri mau keras sendiri online, ah.
Okay. So we jump to the next one. Fishy. Fishy. So the member of your group will be Fishy. And Fishy, Willie, Mala, and Ceci, and Willisla. Okay. So there will be five members in your group, right? So all of you are from Fiji? Again, please. Hello.
Hello. How are you? Good afternoon from Fiji.
Okay.
Good
Okay, you're
evening
from
from
Fiji.
Fiji.
Yeah. Good afternoon. But I believe that right now Fiji is just like late evening, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And then okay, your group, only one? No.
To share our biomedical engineering.
I think that the internet having the connection, right? We cannot hear you, so
Yeah.
it is better that
still doing the
okay, sometimes the signal is the lost. We cannot hear you from Fiji. So if the connection is not that good, so you can just type me in the chat box, okay? So what is the topic that you're gonna make for the SWOT analysis?
I'm sorry, just give me 5 minutes. I just have to go somewhere so I can get the network properly.
Then we jump back to the Bhutan 2, right? The Bhutan 2 Do you have any other representative here? Bhutan too. Not yet. Okay. So, Mr. Sharing Dorji.
Yeah, they're busy as of now. They are busy
Yeah, yeah.
installing this equipment at the MCH. I think they will get back to Madam Professor
Okay.
after some time.
Okay, so no problem. In the case if you cannot online now, so you can just type us in the chat box or also in the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay, thank you. Thank you very much for the information, the most information. At least I believe that you already worked hard to discussion with your friend, even the work is not completed yet. But I think that you can see the perspective of the job that you're gonna do, and then we'll go to the next step later on. So, okay, we're gonna summarize again. If something wrong, please correct us. We're gonna summarize on the screen now. Okay. So the group number 1, the name is Namburu, composed with team from Namibia, Burundi, Tanzania. Then the topic that you're gonna make is medical equipment management. Total number of the members are 6. We correct, right? And then the group number 2, okay, the name is the biomedical brilliance. Oh, awesome. So composed with Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Pakistan, Moldova, and Azerbaijan. And the topic that you're going to do for the SWOT analysis is repair and maintenance of biomedical equipment. Total number are 6, okay? And the group number 3, okay, the big group, MR, the member are from Ghana, Rwanda, Malawi, and Morocco. Then you're gonna talk in the, big topic about biomedical engineering in Africa. And it's very interesting because you have the big number of your members. So we think that we can gather information from you. Thank you very much. And then the group number 4, Bhutan 1, the topic will be we are not clear, but okay, so Nam can help us later on. And then right now, as we count for the Bhutan number 1, is 3 or more of the members. And the Bhutan number 2, I believe that they are still working. So you can help us later about the topic and the number of the members. And the last group is Team Fiji. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, you have 4 members from Willie, Mala, Ceci, and Willisla. So the topic that you're gonna make, maybe you can type us both on the WhatsApp or in the chat box. Okay, so we make it clear. So right now I saw that all of you guys have a topic, so then you can focus on the assignment, and it will be the session for tomorrow to present, discuss with us. So right now we have a choice for you. You want to continue your work for tomorrow, or do you want to start on the next step after we finish for the SWOT analysis? So we're gonna go to the lean canvas. What is your choice? Gonna go for work, or we're gonna start on the next step after lean canvas? What you guys want?
Uh, uh, we're gonna go with the training. That should be okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're gonna give you the because after you finish the SWOT analysis, but right now you are working on it, but we're gonna assign you later on. But today we're gonna give you the information for the next of the SWOT analysis. The next step we're gonna doing the lean canvas. So อาจารย์ Anuchit gonna give you the basic information about lean canvas. I believe that some of you guys already work on it, but maybe it's the new topic for some guys. So let's go for the lean canvas, and the next time practice, we're gonna focus on that thing. Okay, so I give the stage back
Thank
to
you.
Anuchit so he can brief you the basic information about the lean canvas.
Okay, thank you. And now I want to send your document and slide to the WhatsApp, right? Okay. And Anthony will send to you, okay, now for my lectures. Okay.
Okay, hold on a second. So we can send you the slide.
Okay.
Okay, right now the slides
Okay.
of new class already pop up in your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yes.
And you want to next practice or you still the practice once? Okay.
No, they want to go for the next one. Then
Oh,
yeah.
okay. As I have the file for the practice. Oh, okay. Only information, right? Okay.
Go for the next practice.
Okay. Okay. Everyone see my slide already, right? Okay. As okay. As I will go to the give the informations in the room canvas. When you are works in the SWOT analysis already, you know about your strengths, your weakness, your opportunities, and your threats already. And when you know this one, if you want to develop the innovations or the medical device, you can choose from the weakness, from the threats or opportunities to create in the lean canvas. Okay. And maybe some of the people here ever heard about the lean canvas, and we have another one is the business model canvas. In the lean canvas is used for the about in the when you want to develop of the innovations, and business model canvas is used for when you want to do in the product for the company or some things. I think if you are live in the hospitals, okay, in your hospitals, lean canvas is have the most advantage when you have some of the problems, okay, and you want to solve the problems, okay. This one is can use for your planning when you want to develop and solving your problems, okay. This one is what is the lean canvas. Lean canvas is the some kind of the business modeling tool. Okay, look like the BMC business model canvas. The lean canvas they focus in the problems. When you have the problems and you want to solve, okay, you want to solve in the problems, you use in the lean canvas. Okay, this one is popular use in the have the competitions in the startup in the innovations, okay, they use in the lean canvas now. Oh, okay. As in the lean canvas they propose of the provide of the simple and effective way for the entrepreneurs and business to develop and communicate their business models to solve several important functions. They include in the company or the hospitals. That's one is maybe you want to solve in the specific problems with the lean canvas. Okay. In the lean canvas is have the first is charities. Charity, the lean canvas help the business developers to clarify the idea and focus on the most important aspect of the business or your company. Okay, by these toolings are business model into the simple one documents. This one, when you are like lean canvas or the business model canvas, you are only like in the one page documents, okay, for the clear and the concise summaries of the business or your products you want to propose. Okay. And the next is communications. When you want to the communication, the canvas provide a common level for the stakeholders, include the investors, employees, and customers. It communicates the key aspects of the business in the way that everyone can understand in your company, your organizations. Okay. So, installations. The lean canvas is the living document updates and can be signed as the business evolve. Entrepreneur interlace quickly and makes change to their business model based on the feedbacks and the new information. That means if you have the lean canvas for the version ones, maybe you can update in the version 2, version 3, version 4, depend on your information. Okay. And recommendations. Entrepreneur is or the person or the staff can validate the business model by identifying potential problems and opportunities by testing the assumptions and gathering feedbacks. Entrepreneur refine the business model and improve their chance to success. Okay. That means the lean canvas is a tool for the entrepreneur or the business owners. But why the biomedical engineering? Why want to know this one? Okay, and you learn in the smart. You are now you are in the course of the paradigm shift in the healthcare system in the digital transformations. That means if you want to design all of this, you must to define the plannings from the SWOT, from the leans. This is a tool used for you when you want to be the smart healthcare system or smart healthcare technologies. Okay. Later in the lean canvas, when you the business model is clear and effective ways. Okay. And lean canvas work well with the author framework and author common use in the business approach. That means if you have a lean canvas already and you in the lean canvas is only the all the parameters or the factor when you want to do in the innovations. Hence, you can apply lean canvas to another frameworks when you want to work in this innovation or these products. Okay. Before I go to the lean canvas, okay, and I have this slide for the compare the lean canvas and business model canvas. Okay. As in the lean canvas, the objective or the focusing, they focus on the customers and the problems that the business is solving. That means they focus in the problems will happens. Sometimes customer is be the staff, be the nurse for the of the staff in the hospitals. That means have the problem you can use in the lean canvas. business model canvas or the BMC, we call it the BMCs. This the business itself, they focus in the business itself and its infrastructures. Okay. And in the lean canvas, they the size for the design is only one page document. Okay. And business model canvas is some of the lecture is for you is maybe you can put the business model canvas in the one page for the course for you, and in the business model canvas you will have the many of the data inside. Okay, this easy way for the lean canvas. And flexibility design to be the flexibles and adaptables to change. Okay, and in the business model canvas is designed to be more stocks and stocks. Okay, and the last one is the validations. Emphasize on the validations and testings, assumptions, focus on assumption in the lean canvas. In the business model canvas is a focus on the mapping out the business models. Okay, if you want to make your business use in the BMC, if you want to do of the product, some of the product or the innovations you use in the lean canvas. Okay. 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 This one is lean. I talked to you already. The lean canvas and business model canvas are the both valuable for the business, but they sold in the different purpose. The lean canvas is an idea for the startup and entrepreneurs who are looking to develop and validate their business models quickly and efficiently. The business model canvas is the better suit for the larger, more established business that have a clearer understands of the business model and looking to the define and optimize it in the companies. Okay. This is a slide is explain about the difference between lean canvas and business model canvas. Okay, and I talk to you on this. And you will see in the lean canvas, they have the 9 blocks. Okay, 9 blocks. And business model canvas have the 9 block tools. And they have the different from the 4 box. And I will talk to you later. Okay. For the difference between of the business model canvas is the more appropriate for those who are beginning business. Okay, and I'm sure if that is not a startup for the case, on the other hand, in canvas aim the other activities such as the intelligence acquisitions on innovation startup development in the focus of the problem solution relation. Okay. And this one is lean canvas is simpler than the model canvas because in the model canvas it's business model canvas is maybe you are have a knowledge in the business and in the lean canvas is if you don't have the knowledge in the business you can do in the lean canvas. Okay. And why the business model canvas have been developed and to by the managers, lean canvas had as the accessible to for any kind of the persons. Okay, that means if you are law in the business model canvas, that means you must be the manager for the business or your owner for the business. But in the lean canvas, if you want to show something or you want to do innovation, some things, okay. You can do this with the lean canvas. Okay. And lean canvas can be used outside the marketing and the areas. Okay. If you are have the idea and you put in the lean canvas already, you can go to the startup competitions or the tech fund or the something for the have the grants for the innovation in your innovations. Okay. And this one is they talk about the have the business model is the base base models. Okay, that means you can choose the models. Okay, is good for you. Okay, if you want to do in the business, you are use in the business model canvas, and if you want to do in the innovations or the startup, you are use in the lean canvas. Okay. This one is show you about the 9 blocks. Okay, 9 blocks of the lean canvas. Okay, in the lean canvas is consists of the first. They have the 9 blocks and they categorize to the 6. Okay, the first we start with the problems. Okay, your works in the SWOT analysis already, right? If you are finished in the SWOT analysis, you will know what is your strength, what is your weakness, and if you have weakness or the threat, some things, how to solve this one, and you like this one. Okay, you like this one for the problems you want to focus. That means some of groups want to use in the medical device management. Okay, medical device management. But in the medical device management is really big for you when you want to solve in the lean, right? You can choose only the some of groups use only the inventory of the medical device or you want to tracking your medical device. Okay, and this the problem is come from if you want to develop a medical device tracking systems. The problem that means your medical device is lost many times and you cannot find your medical device and this one. And when you have the problems already, you go to the customer segments. The customer segment that means what is the user, what is the customer use your technologies or your system or your products. Okay, if you are develop the medical device tracking systems, the target customer that means is nurse, doctors, biome, biomedical engineering, and some other staff in the hospital, right? And when you have the problems and you define the customer segments already, okay. And seconds, you go to the what is the unique value propositions. Unique value proposition that means you cannot be the same with the another systems. You cannot same with another product. What is your base of your products? Okay. And when you have the value propositions already, you go to see this one in the solutions. What's the solution you want to do this one? In the solution is if you are the example now, I give example in the medical device, right? Okay, you go to the for the solutions, use the radio frequency identifications for the taggings medical device. Okay, use these technologies. You want to use the IoT, okay, for the taggings of the medical device. Okay, and when you know the solutions already, go to the channels. The channel that means to the customer know your product or your innovations. Okay, if you want to be the products, you can create in the Facebook, in the YouTube, or the website for the proposed product. Okay, for the customers. And if you create the systems only used in the hospitals, it's maybe you have the group, some groups of the WhatsApp for the talking about these systems. Okay, and when you know about the channel already, you go to see in the cost structure and the revenue streams. Cost structure, that means how many your pay the monies. Okay, for the staff, for the people, for the DY, or for the some of the budgets you want to explain. Okay, and when you have the cost structure already, you must to see what is a revenue stream. Revenue stream is a benefits of you. Okay, benefit of you. And the example is revenue model, lifetime values, revenues, cost margin. Okay, this one. And go to the key metrics. Key metric, that means if you have developed of the innovation, some of the innovation, you are must to have the key metrics. Key metric, that means your innovations or your system or your product either success or not success. Some of the product is the key metric is I want to sell these products thousands device in the one year or 1 month, something like that for the key metrics. Okay, and if you have the key metric for the measure your output, okay, and you go to pardon, you have the questions. Okay, and if you have the key metrics, you go to the unfair advantage. Unfair advantage, that means use the idea if you are develop of the innovations or your systems already, and your success all of this in 8 box. And the last one, they want to know how your product cannot be copied. Okay, cannot be copied. What is a unfair advantage? Either can be easily for the copy and loss. Okay, this one. This one I explain a little bit for you. Okay, and why don't use the lean canvas? The first is translate your things in the same language. That means same language. That means you have only the 9 box for fill the data, right? Fill the data, and when your partner or your groups, your member in your group is come to see this canvas, can understand the same. Okay, that's if you want to do. Okay, and the time to translate is can take if you use another the model. Okay, you must to have the time to translate. Okay, and in the lean canvas is sometimes we use for the when you want to develop some things. Okay, you do in the lean canvas. The first step they use the SWOT analysis, and the next step to do in the lean canvas. Okay, and how does lean canvas works? In the lean canvas is the first ones I talk to you in the 9 box already. The problems. Okay, this start with the problems. What is the problem you want? And I want to did once. When you have the problems, they want you to numbers of the problem to only 3 problem for the priority problems you want to solve. Some of groups maybe have the many problems, right? And in the lean canvas, they talk is uh, you must to set the priorities, only the 3 priority problems you you want to do. Okay. And customer segments. In the customer segments, the first you see they have only one box. Okay. And in the customer segments have the set of the block inside. They want to know what is the first customers. The first customer you want to they use your innovations or your systems. Okay, such as your develop of the medical device tracking system, right? Your things customer segment is a staff in the hospitals. The first of the customer is maybe biomedical engineering use and maybe nurse use for this system first. Okay. And the 3 is the unique value prepositions. This one I talked to you already about your, when you have the value preposition, you can make your brand, make your unique of your system or your innovations. And this one is the solutions. Okay. This the solution is must follow with the problems. Okay. They use in the functional. What is the technology you are used in these solutions? Okay. Sometimes the problem is not only used in the technology only. Sometimes you use in the something for the change of the mindset of the staff, change of the process in your works. Maybe they can solve your problems. Okay. And the channel, this one, the channels. Okay, for the marketings and communications in your channels. Okay, maybe you can use in the digital media, in the Facebook, WhatsApp for the connect with your customer. Revenue streams. Okay, this is the what is the price of your products and benefits you have in this the product or the innovations. Okay, and this one is a cost teams. Cost team is a budget expend in your development for the research developments or the salary of the humans. Okay, and this one is a key metrics. Key metric, that's one. Okay, you have the innovations already, and you want to measure your business performance or the measure of the innovations, the success innovations and and success or fail something. You can set the key of the metrics. Okay, and this one is an unfair advantage. What does the business have and another one is cannot copy your idea, copy your technologies. Okay. And this one, in the concept of the lean canvas, they talk you can conclude and finish in the 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes for lean canvas. That means if this this course is the on-site course, maybe I have time for you is 20 minutes. Okay, and this one is online is maybe you have the 24 hours. Okay, okay. For the learner when you are thinking lean canvas. In the business, in the benefits of the lean canvas, is a focus on the solutions. Okay, that means in the picture in the lighthouse, they have in the idea, you have the idea, and you have the products, and you measure your product or the innovations, and you have the data. And this one, they have the cycles of the loop for the developments. Okay. And this one is you think and you can apply in the medical engineering is a lot of the innovation you can develop. Okay. And this is a user friendly design because they only have the one page, only have the 9 box, and they not focus on the business, mm, not focus in the business than the business model canvas. Okay. From the entrepreneur to entrepreneur. This one is from the staff to the staff. When you want to do some of the sequence and you want to explain them for the another steps, you can use in the link canvas and explain them what you want to do, okay, or your design. This one is show you again in the nine of the lean canvas, okay. And I think I have the examples, a little bit of the example for you in the lean canvas. In the lean canvas, this one for example lean canvas in the Uber. I I I want to know what you use the application Uber or not. You know this one? Uber is the application for the call of the car, right? Okay, for the car.
Like the cab service in Uber.
Okay. In the Uber, that's this the frequent you can see the problems. They list the problems is the three problem in the list. Okay, in the list, but expensive taxi service, availability of cabs, lacks of the driver focus. Okay, and in this one, in the green box, that means you have the problems already, three problems, right? Three problem priorities. Okay, and now how to solve the problems? That means expensive taxi service, available of cabs, lack of driver profits. Now they solve for the people who are right, part-time job, some things. Because the Ubers, users maybe have the drivers, right, and passengers. Okay, to our users. Okay, I for the customers, you see in the customers, they have the passenger and drivers. Okay. As for the early adopters, adapter, that's once the first customer used in your systems, taxi service, public transports. Okay. As actually the next, the unique value propositions. Okay, our service in the one apps. That means they want to develop application for the diverse passenger in the one app. Okay, and next is works on your service revenue and launch through the apps. Okay, okay, and in the unique value propositions, they have of the sub blocks here, high level concept. High level concept, that means what is your want to propose them? What is the high value for you? This Uber is like the taxi, but cheaper, safer, and more flexible. That is it sometimes when I talk to students, high level concept, that means what is your slogan for this system or the innovations? Okay. And when you know about the unique value propositions, okay, you go to the solutions. Solution that you want to develop of the solutions is the cheaper, like weak car networks, diverse passenger ratings, and flexible schedule. Okay. And when you have this one, you have the channels. Channel is the words of mouth. Okay. some of the people talk together, and this one for the word of mouth user referrals. Okay, and cost. Cost is from the salary of the staff, product developments, marketing expense. Okay, for the revenue stream, that means they have the benefits 25% the pay for each line. Okay, this is a benefits of the Uber. And the next is the key of the matrix. They have the key of matrix is the number of the lines, number of the user using in the Ubers. And the last one, unfair advantage, that's they focus in the low price right at the push of the methods. Okay, this one the example in the Uber when you are used in the link was. Okay, and this one is see this one is canvas of the Facebook. Okay, for the Facebook. Okay, this one in the Facebook. Okay, and I think you can see this one. Okay, okay, and this one is the examples in the Google. This one is for the Google. Okay, they start with the problems existing alternatives. This one, okay, problems in this problem is have the sub of the box, essence, things, alternatives. Okay, and solutions, matrix, unique, value propositions, and concept. This one is the slogan. Okay, and advantage channels, customer segments, early adopters, and the structures, revenue stream. Okay, this one. And I think this one is the enough for you is the a little bit of the lecture, right? And for this one, I will send the the assignment for the practice tool for you, and I have the a little bit for the experience in the this one. Okay, this one I will send file in the of the PPT, the PowerPoint. Okay, and this one and this one you can fill the data inside. Okay, you can fill the data inside by yourselves for the problems for the is blocks. Okay, inside. Okay, is block inside. Okay, and I have one of the concerns. You are in the analysis is the big area for you, big idea for you, and in the lean canvas, you must to specific of the problems. Okay, what the problem in your innovation or the systems. Okay, I'm starting. Okay, this one is the
Okay, thank you very much, Ajahn Anuchit. So this is the basic of the lean canvas. So we're not going to add something yet because you need working on the SWOT analysis. And for the next step, of course, you're going to face with lean canvas. However, as Ajahn Anuchit mentioned, firstly, that we want to give you it just like you see the big picture of the SWOT analysis. So you can criticize your strength and also the problem. And for the next step, in the case if you want to solve the problem, so you need to develop something. Maybe some of the workflow can be the systems or can be some innovation. And you have the question in your mind, this is worth it that you we're gonna spend the times or we're gonna spend the cost on that thing. This is worth it. So the lean canvas gonna be the tools to confirm the things that we're gonna make. So it will be the next step of the assignment. So firstly, tomorrow, please let's finish your SWOT analysis, and then you see your next work, right? We're gonna focus on the lean canvas. So any questions? Amo, you have question? Anyone have questions?
No question.
Okay. No question. You want to go back to work, right?
I know we want to start with our assignment.
Yeah, because you know, it's more like that it's kind of difficult to do the practice class because in the case if you come here, so we can hands on the maintenance tools and everything. But by the online, it's very difficult. So we try to encourage and get engage you in another skill, not only for the technician or just like maintenance fixing something. But I think that for SWOT analysis and for the lean canvas is just like the idea that you can manage your organization in your medical device department will be benefit to all you guys. So, okay, I think that this is a time that you can return back to your work or you go back to sleeping in some area, or you can go back and discuss with your friend for the work tomorrow that you're gonna present to us. And again, before we finish today, I would love to encourage you to join the lecture on tomorrow because the lecture on tomorrow will be live and it will be the lecture from the very famous speakers in Thailand because he is the Deputy Dean for the Service Innovation Organization Value of Sirirat Hospital, and he has a big experience with healthcare innovations and develop right now. The Sirirat Hospital becomes to be the smart hospital. So that's why I think that it will be benefit to you guys in case if you log on tomorrow and online. So in the case if you have the questions, you can ask him directly instead of just typing. Okay. So tomorrow it will be the very good lecture and it's very interesting, believe me, on the private hospital. So, any question? Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Because in the Sirirat hospital is a very big hospital in the
Yeah.
Thailand. That means they have the many of the technology, many of the solutions.
Mhm.
Okay, some of the solution maybe you have the problem in your hospital. You can ask him for the solve the solutions.
To get the
Okay.
idea, for example, because as I told you, hospital right now is one of the biggest hospital in Thailand. It is the public hospital. So how big it is? It is about 2,200 beds in that hospital. So it's real big. So that's why I would love to encourage all of you guys to join the online class tomorrow in the morning. In the morning, the class will start at the same time at the 9 a.m. in the morning until 11 in the lecture. And again, will be the practice class in the afternoon for the presentation on the SWOT analysis. Okay. Any problem? No. So, Mekondo, do you have the questions? Because I see that you are on your microphone.
Sorry, no, sorry, Professor. No, I don't have. I just forgot to mute.
Okay. 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 In the case if you have no questions, so the class today, you just okay, you can return back on your duties and we see each others again on tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining us. And okay, we looking forward for your SWOT analysis assignment for tomorrow. I'm very exciting to see the perspective of your medical device department in your countries. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much and see you again tomorrow in the
Thank you.
morning in the
Thank
lecture
you.
class. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Luck.
Bye.
Thank you.